And good morning, folks. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. I got something on my doorstep this morning. Let's see what we got. Okay, got my knife. This is the only knife I ever carry because Uncle Alan's retired. Also, Uncle Alan doesn't have a problem with crime because he works on the homeless route, and also he knows everybody because he's a church elder, and I help out people. And I have a good clip of my area, so I know what's going on fairly good, who's shooting who and why and what's going on, so I know everything. And Uncle Alan solves problems. You try to mitigate the problems before it gets bad. Of course, you help out the problems by eliminating the causes. Now everybody thinks like that. Let's see what we got. Oh boy! Look at that. I have another French press. And it's made out of stainless steel. Because my mom thought prior decks was unbreakable. It's heat resistant, not unbreakable. So my $30 or $34 20-year-old French press bought the farm. So let's see what we got. Ooh, exciting box opening. I got tired and I got 2 extra screens to it. Here's the lovely French press. Wahoo! Insulated stainless steel. Let's see her break this. And I got replacement filters. Wahoo! And that's the company, Secura. They make different sizes of these. This one do not get, that's 2 liters. I got the 2-cup one, 17 ounces. And it's really good. It even shows you how to make coffee. I gotta find the page. See, that isn't hard, folks. You boil water, you put your coffee grounds in it, and presto, you make coffee, which I'm going to do in a few minutes. Too bad I don't know how to use my camera, my phone on my camera, and go around. I keep breaking the damn thing. But you see, simple, no other parts. Double wall, insulated, the filter, and the cap, and pour out coffee. All you have to do is that. See how easy that is? Yep. And control the flow. That's maximum, and you turn it to the side, and then you press it. That's it. Not rocket science, folks. Okay, folks, I am getting better. I still have to wear these because I have to get new lenses because in my distance driving I have to be careful. I don't want to hit somebody like Mr. Policeman. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later. You have a nice day. I'll see you later. Bye.